Hey guys, Maddie Cook here, and today I'm here with my trusty best friend. It has been a long time since I recorded a video, and today I'm going to do something that a lot of YouTubers do, which is kind of sad.
And
we're making slime.
And we're also going to post some of the old videos we were going to post, but Maddie didn't want to post them.
Okay, so first off, move this way more. Okay, let me just, my laptop's really crappy. Okay, so I have all the slime materials. I got craft sticks, because Rachel broke all my other ones. I have shaving cream.
You know, teachers always use this. They spray it on your table, and then you have to write letters. Oh, no, that's what my elementary school did.
We have activator.
Activator.
And about 5 bottles of glue.
5?
Yes.
Bottles of glue. But I need something. So we had this.
Wait, so there's purple. I literally dumped it out and my bowl fell. So we have purple, green, red, glitter. We have blue and clear. We're going to start off with clear.
So push all those and put the things we need.
We do not need this. You do not need it. Rachel has never made slime.
Yes, I have never made slime.
Well, last time we tried, didn't turn out so well. I got it over.
We were gonna make that.
I got it over one outfit, 2 towels, and I had to throw all.
Oh, and remember that box video we made? Yeah, that's.
Yeah, that's kind of out of the picture. We already opened it.
Yeah, but we're not gonna post the video. We might.
No, we're not. So that video was crap. So here's a stick. Your face. Okay, so I'm gonna put half a bottle in mine and half a bottle in hers. It looks like poop, clear poop, diarrhea.
And we started making other videos on, starting with January videos, but then Maddie didn't want to post them and we kind of forgot about them.
Yep. It's been such a long time since I've made a YouTube video. Rachel, it may look like I am more just, you have a bigger container. So you can mix it if you want. Hey, do you want to make this colored? Wait, I don't have food coloring. Never mind. Also, clear slime is clear, so. I love the way green looks in clear slime. Okay, so mix. There's really no point in this.
Yeah, it's just.
Okay, I'm actually going to take off my Lucky Charm bracelet.
I might have to take off my lucky
No,
headband.
you don't. You can keep that on. I just don't want to get that dirty. How would slime end up in your hair?
Well,
okay,
it could, and when it does, if it touches my lucky headband, you're paying for a new one.
I don't even know where you got it.
I don't either. I've had it for
okay. I'm gonna add
quite a while.
I'm gonna add activator to each of ours.
Yeah, Maddie wanted to make slime, and she was like, slime! And I was like, what? And I was like,
Rachel doesn't like slime, so I just forced her to do it.
yes.
That's pretty much what happened. I forced her.
And we're going to make a few new channels.
So you gotta go quick. By the way, it will look bubbly, and foggy.
And guys, also, we're going to be making a new channel soon called Maddie Cook Sings.
No, it's not going to be called Maddie Cook Sings, Rachel. It's going to be called The Hype Girls.
That's
our acapella group name.
Yeah, so we're going to be making a Hype Girls YouTube channel.
Oh, I think I need to add. Did I add more to yours? Stop. You have to mix everywhere, Rachel. I am not very good at making clear slime, so I don't think this is going to work either way. This time mine looks, it's not even slime.
Not even like slime.
Yeah, because
it's not even like slime, it's just goo. A very clear goo. Yeah, they have, has anyone, I guess while we're making the slime, we should tell some stories. So one time
we're not going to tell scary stories.
They're just stories. So I was in class on Friday, and I was in this class because I
By the way, Rachel's in
had to do testing in a teacher's room. Her name's Miss Gavin, and she told me my last assignment for the test was to write my favorite game. It could be a board game, video game, any game I could think of. And I was like, Minecraft. She looked at me and said, well, that would have been a very popular choice 2 years ago. And then she was like, guess what the answers are? and I was like, Fortnite, and she was like, yep. She was tired of reading about Fortnite. Very tired. Maddie and me hate Fortnite.
So does her brother, surprisingly.
Yeah, my brother hates Fortnite, and so does everyone in the universe. My friend Yuna's trying to make us play Fortnite, and I'm just like, no. And my computer's buggy and won't let me download Fortnite, or Roblox, so that's why we don't play, like, new games.
Rachel, look, this is how you have to start, Rachel.
Yeah, I've never made slime.
You gotta go like this. See how it's already coming together?
Yeah.
Now start. Clear slime is actually one of the most trickiest slimes.
Maddie's made a lot of slime.
I have one slime smoothie that I made. I didn't make it on video. It's not even that big because I don't have that many slimes. It's like...
Let's see, she has a little slime right here.
Put that down.
That's some of the first slimes down here.
That is not one of my first slimes. That's one of my oldest slimes, actually.
Yeah, she has a lot of slimes. Like, one we took out, but it hardened. It was a yellow slime that looks like barf.
Barf.
It was barf slime. She's made barf slime before, remember?
Remember my butter slime?
Oh, yeah.
I made butter slime, but I lost half of it, and my hands are sticky already.
I've not even touched this.
Don't touch it yet.
So basically,
How's this?
So basically,
I've made clear slime before, and
she's made even barf slime. Not a video though. She's made barf slime before. Haven't you made barf slime before?
Yes.
But it doesn't even look. It looks like barf, but if you look at it very closely, it doesn't.
You gotta
look
like whip it, Rachel.
Like that.
Rachel, look.
I'm trying to go fast, but I don't want to get my clothes dirty from making all this slime.
Okay, well this is obviously a fail.
It looks more like...
Okay, so I will be right back. Bye. Hold on just a second. Well, that clear slime is a fail.
Yeah, mine, I got the...
She dropped the stick in there.
Yeah.
By the way, I figured out why it didn't work.
Why?
I forgot baking soda.
Yeah, we needed baking soda. Maddie doesn't have it.
I forgot.
Wait, we do have baking soda.
We do?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I forgot about that.
Yeah.
Is there any more in there? There's more!
Guys, we have the baking soda. We can make this.
Why is there food coloring in it? She's gonna kill us all.
I'm trying to take out the stick, but it's sticky.
Don't touch it.
Can I get a stick to take it out? Or is it just...
I'll just take it out, Rachel. So, we might be able to make the slime work. Farts.
Yeah, because you forgot there was baking soda in your own house.
It's on your shirt now. So.
This is one of my favorites. Trying to get this... I'm not going to touch that.
This is my, like, mess up slime bowl. Mess up slime and stick bowl. Okay. So
we might be able to make this.
So hold it so it does not fall in. Okay, so I'm going to add a little bit of baking soda to each of ours.
Just going to let Maddie pour that stuff.
Wait, let's see if it works before I...
Mess mine up.
Yeah. It's getting way more thick.
It's good. Is it actual slime now?
It's not sticky. Hold on, let me just mix it a little bit more.
Yeah, guys, we might be able to make clear slime.
We fixed it. It's not sticky anymore.
My parents aren't a fan of slime.
Well,
so.
we were being dumb. Well, I was being dumb.
Yeah, especially when you actually had this stuff.
I overactivated it just because, number one, I know you guys are going to hate me for this, but I hate Karina Garcia. My dad's turning on the hose. I hate Karina Garcia, but one tip she gave me was that if you overactivate clear slime, it actually works good. So I overactivated it a lot.
Yeah, we're going to turn mine into slime.
Yeah, come here. Give me your... Oh. Don't drop the stick in.
Don't drop the stick in. And
I'm not gonna add as
my
much.
shirt seems like it's a normal, just
It says be unique on it.
no. It says one of a kind.
Oh, never mind.
I'm one of a kind, people.
Yeah, she's very much one of a kind.
And I have braces that not many people get, so I might be one of a kind. I don't know. And anyway, guys.
She's definitely one of a kind. I do not think there's somebody who acts like this.
Hey guys, I got braces.
Everybody knows that already.
I think. Most of our fans probably know that I have braces.
I don't think we have fans. I think yours actually turned out better than mine.
Yeah, it's a good slime.
Whoa! I'm keeping this one.
You like slime.
This one actually feels way better than mine. This one's like not overactivated at all. It's not sticky. It's stretchy. Where this one, on the other hand, it's stiff, it's wet, it's gross.
Yeah, we're gonna keep this one.
This one is so good.
Well, I guess I actually made a good slime. Oh.
I was pretty much the one that added everything.
Well, I was the one who mixed it.
I mixed baking soda in. Oh, now it's bad. But
It's bad now.
no, it's still good. Oh, we can put that over there. So
Are we gonna make more slime?
we're gonna make 4 more slimes. We'll make 1 more, okay?
Okay.
We're almost done.
Hey, you need to get home in a few minutes.
Alright.
So you can start eating lunch. We gotta get going, alright?
Sorry about that, guys. That's just her mom. So,
We can't make many slimes because my mom
We're
wants
gonna
me
make
to
2
go
more.
with my brother. And his football field, this one he's done it twice, and this one is gonna be the worst. There's literally nothing to do. It's literally just a normal football field.
Is there a park?
No park.
That's sad.
I literally get to sit in an hour in a chair being bored
Okay.
instead of making things. And Maddie, when are you gonna be back home?
Sunday?
Oh,
Tomorrow?
tomorrow.
I'm going to my grandma's house tonight.
I'm probably gonna go to grandma's too. So
This is where the shaving cream comes in.
yeah.
Okay, so
I'm really sad we can't make more slime.
so you like it?
Yeah, I really want to make more slime actually now, because we're actually good at it.
Mix it in, Rachel.
We actually made a weird concoction of things we found around. Maddie's
I'd rather
house.
not talk about that.
Yeah, that's when we opened the little box, and that's why we won't post it.
Yeah, we did make a video on it though. I was making slime in the background.
And while me and
Rachel,
Alexander
just keep
found,
mixing it. Rachel,
Or-
don't tilt it like that, or you'll spill it on your.
because I don't want to go to my brother's practice.
Okay, Rachel, mix it until it's like this.
Oh, okay.
Put it on the table. Make sure you mix it all in.
I'm grabbing this glue.
Let me see the. Okay, now hold the stick so it does not fall in. I'll make the rest of the slimes by myself.
Yeah, she'll make a separate video without me making.
No, it's not gonna be separate. It's gonna be this one. Okay, mix. Mix,
Because-
mix, Rachel.
Maddie is going with her father. I don't know why my mom can't take me to the bartending.
Because there's a lot of adults and it's a wedding. Rachel, like pick it up and do it like this. Rachel, you need more contact lens.
Get it on me.
No, it splashes.
I think it's slime.
Not yet, Rachel.
It's not even like close.
Oh, it's close, alright. Look. Don't start touching it yet, though. Dang,
Slime.
nabbit, I should have got foam balls. They're still everywhere from the last time I made foam ball slime.
Still everywhere. And this is like months later after we made the dog washing video.
Oh yeah, I remember that video.
Yeah,
I don't think I didn't even upload it.
We have a lot of videos to upload, so Maddie has to do that.
I'm definitely uploading the dog bath video. It's where we gave Rachel put it on the table.
It's where we bathed her dog.
Well, one of my dogs.
Ariel didn't want to.
Ariel, you guys should not go near her. Like, she's a nice dog, just she gets scared of people.
And will bite you.
No, she will not bite you.
She'll probably just run away from you.
Wow, this is a good one.
Alright, I mixed the slime good enough. It's really sticky. That's good. Is it good that the slime's sticky?
No. See, does this one stick to my hands?
No. Sticking.
Okay, hold on, let me see it.
Maddie's better at this than I. Because she's actually had experience of making this concoction.
Concoction. Yours is stickier than mine. It's not a very good thing.
You have to ask that.
You're not supposed to run fluffy slime, but I do it anyway.
Does it make it non-sticky?
It's just baking soda and this is gonna be really sticky. Baking soda and contact solution works as a team. It worked.
Made it non-sticky? Or is it still sticky?
Okay, so Rachel has to go now. Go away.
So we're gonna make some new channels, upload some old videos, and do stuff like that.
What do you mean upload old video? Oh, no.
Yeah, like the dog bag thing. We may do our uploadation of Rapunzel. We did that.
No.
That's not gonna happen.
Oh, I should make another channel that does it like mini. I think we know whose slime is better in this one.
Yours.
Yes. Hers is like thicker and overactivated, like a little bit overactivated, where mine is soft, like you can stretch it really far. It's kind of like my old slime.
And also.
Go away.
Oh.
Go.
All right.
Say goodbye to Rachel, everyone.
Bye.
Okay, go leave. Okay, it's just me now.
Come on, Rachel, gotta go.
That's her mom.
Have time to eat.
That's her mom yelling.
Keep moving.
This is pretty good slime. Not to lie, it's pretty good. Like, oh no! There we go. Not mixed. Wait, what does a mix feel like? Ew. That other clear slime's over there. This one is not that good. I hate clear slime so much. These are the two good ones so far. Like, this one actually feels okay. Except it rips. So, all the ones... Most of them are bad, except for this one so far. This was like a fail for slime today. If the other two don't go well, I'm gonna be really, really sad. Okay, so I can put Rachel's bowl aside since she's not helping anymore. Okay, so let's put my green one. Let's put okay, next we're doing glitter glue. Red glitter glue. Whoa, that looks like blood, but better. Ugh. Wow, why is glitter glue so thick? I thought it was like really thin. Okay, we'll do another batch. Okay, so this one doesn't involve shaving cream. So all you do is just add contact lens solution. Actually, I know what I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna add all of this. Okay, guys. So I know my channel gets boring sometimes. Okie dokie. I'm gonna add a little bit of baking soda and mix. I think that'll do it. Okay. Now I'm gonna add some more of that. Add some more of that. I added some more contact lens solution, and it's starting to go really, really well. Ew, what's that? What's that on it? Ew. It's a piece of cardboard. How is there cardboard? How did cardboard get in the slime? Ew. Ew. Now there's glue on my hands, so let's just get that off. Let's just fix that straight away. And who cares? I'm just gonna wipe it on my hands. So, let's mix it a little more. It's really thick. It's so thick, I feel like it's gonna break my stick. Ew. Okay, let's keep. Almost ready. I think I just need a little bit more of that. Mix and a mix and a mix and mix. When you know it's ready when it all comes together like this. But it's not always ready when it comes like that. See, like right now it's really sticky. It's really pretty though. That's pretty good. This one was a success. The purple one was bad, the clear was bad, the red is good, the green is good. So which one is better? I feel like this one is better. Okay, last slime. With the luck we've been having today, I don't think it's gonna go that well. It's just blue. But I think we should step it up a notch, but I don't know why, how. There's nothing here that would, except maybe make it into purple slime, which I don't think that would really do anything. I should just got white glue and added a bunch of colors into it. If I had yellow, no, because I already have green slime. Ooh. Whenever I don't like my slime, I throw it and I leave it over there. But the only reason I do that is because it dries and I can make it into prank slime. Like it dries like a platform, so I can make it into prank slime, which is really good. Whenever I reach over there, you know I'm playing with the other slimes. Okay, so let's get in here. Oh, I forgot. I never activated it. Okay, so let's add some shaving cream. What if we made this like an ultra fluffy slime? That's ultra fluffy if you ask me, actually. That's what the status is at. I actually think this is the amount you should add. So I feel like I should add more. Because Rachel's, I barely added any shaving cream. The green one, oh, dang, nabbit it. Oh, never mind. And so let's keep mixing this up. Ew, the shaving cream smells bad. Is it aloe infused? Yup, it's aloe shaving cream. That works just the same, but it just smells really bad. Smell it, guys. I know, right? I know I'm not a very good YouTuber, but I want to be like this, so don't judge me. I don't care if you judge me, because I pooped. Okay. Okay, I don't think it's gonna work. Okay, let's try it. I like fluffy slime because when you add the shaving cream, it makes it look bigger. It's turning out. It's getting there. Okay, I think I need a new stick. Whenever I'm making fluffy slime, like ultra fluffy slime like this, I always have to go through 1 or 2 sticks. Ultra strength. That didn't work. So I feel bad for the blue slime because it gets infused with all the other colors since it's the last one. This is what I call when you add too much shaving cream. I'm gonna put it on the table. I'll have to add more stuff. I already know it. It's definitely not ready. But I want to ditch the stick. I'm gonna get my hands in there. Ooh. This is what I love about slime, getting your hands messy when you make it. Get your hands messy. Because I think just because I'm a girl doesn't mean I have to be prim and perfect, which is why I like to get messy and like climb trees. And I like what boys like most of the time. As you see, there's like you see like one pink thing in the background. It's a bear's feet. That's the only thing you see. Also, I will show you a poster for the Hype Girls. That is me and Rachel. I know it's a stupid name, but it's awesome. So this is pretty good slime. So comment down below if you want to hear our first song from the Hype Girls. And we are a acapella group, so that means there will be no instruments. We're acapella. I might change it. I'm like the manager of ours. So comment down below if you want to do it. Give this video a smash. If we reach, I don't think we are, but if we reach about 15 likes, I know, we will sing it. Or just comment down below. If we get 15 likes or 15 comments, we will do it. I don't like this. There's only 2 cents. Only 2 that were good. But this is a lovely color. I love it. Wait a second. There's some left in here. What if I add a little bit of this? do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Okay, I'm gonna stop now. So, be right back. Okay, so these are the 5 slimes we made today. This is traces of this one. Oh no. So I'm gonna take a little bit of each of these and mix them all together. So we have this pretty bad purple one. It's the worst clear slime ever. We have the pretty amazing blue slime. The pretty amazing, I put the worst ones in the back, the best in the front. The pretty amazing glitter slime. And the, whoa. Okay, so I'm excited to mix these. So I'm gonna take like this much from this one, this much from this one. I'm gonna put them all in Rachel's bowl. Take a little bit from this one that's gonna ruin it. Take a little bit of the red and a tiny bit of the green because the green's my favorite. Okay, so I'm gonna roll them all into sausages, put them next to each other. Get the red. I can feel the clear one. It's pretty good. I expected it to bounce and I threw it. Oh no. Slime mixerooey. The green mixed with the red mixed with the green. Oh no, there's no mixing. Get away from me. Okay. Ooh, Christmas. Okay. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, so I'm gonna take a minute and just be quiet. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I love you guys. So I hope you guys, I know none of you guys like my channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and ask for more slime videos. I might not do it. Just kidding, I love slime, so oof, my butt crack. So, bye guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.